Hey everyone, so today I'm going to discuss with you a very simple question. If you're lucky enough, then only they can ask you such simple question in a math interview. So today's question is it's related to the one and onto-ness. So usually when you go for an interview and they just want to start with the simple questions, then such kind of questions they might ask you. So what do you mean by a function to be one function? So if you have a function from set A to set B, A to B, when I will call this function as a one function. So if you recall, one means what? If your x1, or let me suppose your a1 is not equal to a2, that means if you have two distinct elements over here, a1 and a2, then you take their images, f of a1 and f of a2. If their images are also not same, that means a1 image is somewhere here, a2 image is somewhere here, and they are distinct. And this is true for every elements in my domain. So you take any two distinct elements in my domain, any two elements distinct, you take their images. If the images are also distinct, then such a functions are called as one function. Okay, distinct elements should have distinct images. That's all. Okay, and what do you mean by an onto function? Onto means what? You take any element in the codomain, you take any element over here, you should have a pre-image. So you take any y over here, you should be able to get some x whose image under f is y. So then such a function is called as an onto function. Even if one of the element is left, that means if you are able to find an element whose image is not, which is not the pre-image, then such a function is not onto function. Okay, so one can ask you, can you give me an example of a function which is one and onto? Or for example, let's start with the basic. Can you give me an example of a function which is 1. Now when someone asks you such a question, they don't expect you to give a very standard function, that f from natural number to natural number, and don't start thinking of any standard functions, x square or x cube. No, they are not expecting that. They only expect whether you know the basics or not. So suppose if this is my set A to set B, suppose here you have 1, 2, 3 and here you have 4, 5, 6. You want to give an example of a function which is not 1. So what you do, you define like 1 goes to 4 and your 2 also goes to 4 and your 3 goes to 5. So this is a function? Yes. Okay, for simplicity let me remove the 6. Is this a function? Yes. Now because single element is not having two output. Okay, when you call something to be a function, if an input has a unique output, if an input is having two outputs, it is not a function. Okay, so input, it has only one output, input, it has only one output, input, it has only one output. So yes, it's a function. Is this 1? No. Why? Because distinct elements are having same images. Okay, if the distinct elements are having distinct images, then great, for all elements, right? So for 1 and 3, you are having distinct images. But for 1 and 2, inputs are different, but the image is same. So since two distinct elements are having same image, therefore the function is not a one function. Okay, is this onto? Yes, because there are two elements in the codomain and both of them have pre-images, therefore it's an onto function. Now one can modify. Can you modify this so that it's not 1 but it's not onto also? So yes, okay, take 6 over here. It's not 1 because of this thing. It's not onto because 6 has no pre-image. So this is not 1 and not onto. Okay, if I want something to be not 1 but onto, okay, that we already did. And if I want 1 and onto both, so you can just make this change and this 2 is going to 6. So all the three distinct elements are having distinct images and all the elements in the codomain have pre-image. So this is an example of a 1 and onto. So the ultimate, the upshot I want to tell you is, don't think of some standard function. Just define a function from a set A to set B and just use the concept, because what matter at the end is the concept and not any fancy function. So I hope you understood this concept. If yes, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.